Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your wallet to Cointracker.io. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to head on over to Cointracker.io and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we want to go ahead and click on the Add Wallet button. So it should be on the top left-hand corner of the page, or we can click into Wallets and click on the add wallet button. Then from here we want to go ahead and find your wallet you'd like to add. So say for example I want to add in my Phantom wallet. I want to go ahead and do a search for Phantom like so. Here it is here. So I want to click onto the family or the Phantom wallet. Now from here, the blockchain, I want to select either one of these. So I might select Solana for this, and then we want to go ahead and paste our public address here. So now they're going to show you how to do this. So we need to open up the Phantom browser extension. So go ahead and grab the extension. If you don't have it, go ahead and click onto, I'll just get a new tab here, click on the three dots, click onto extensions, visit the Chrome web store, and now choose that wallet. So like I said, I'm using Phantom wallet. If you're using something different, go ahead and get that. So Phantom wallet, and hit enter. Here it is here. I want to go ahead, click onto it, add to Chrome. Now once we've done that, I want to click onto my Phantom wallet, sign into my account. So yeah, basically grab your public Solaria address that I'm going to be using inside of your wallet extension.